In addition to the techniques mentioned above, effective pest and disease management requires collaboration and coordination between farmers, researchers, government agencies, and other stakeholders. By working together, they can develop and implement strategies that are tailored to the specific needs of their region and crops, and that promote sustainable agriculture and economic growth. In order to effectively prevent and control plant pests and diseases, it is important to understand the underlying factors that contribute to their spread and impact. One such factor is the global trade in plant products, which can facilitate the introduction and spread of pests and diseases across regions and countries. Therefore, international regulations and standards are essential to ensure the safe and responsible trade of plant products and prevent the unintentional introduction of pests and diseases. Another factor that can contribute to the spread of plant pests and diseases is the use of monoculture practices, where a single crop is grown over a large area. This can create ideal conditions for the buildup and spread of pests and diseases, as there are no natural predators or barriers to their movement. Therefore, crop diversification and the use of mixed cropping systems can help reduce the impact of pests and diseases and promote a more sustainable agricultural system. Furthermore, the use of precision agriculture techniques, such as satellite imagery and sensor-based technologies, can help farmers and growers identify and respond to pest and disease threats more effectively. These technologies can provide real-time information about crop health, pest and disease outbreaks, and environmental conditions, allowing farmers to make informed decisions about crop management and treatment options. It is important to recognize the role that farmers and growers play in preventing and controlling plant pests and diseases. They are on the front line of these threats, and have a critical role to play in implementing effective pest and disease management strategies. Therefore, it is important to support and incentivize farmers to adopt sustainable and integrated pest management practices, as well as provide them with access to the latest research and technology. Therefore, it is important to support and incentivize farmers to adopt sustainable and integrated pest management practices, as well as provide them with access to the latest research and technology. One additional aspect of pest and disease prevention and control is the use of data analytics and machine learning. By collecting and analyzing data on pest and disease outbreaks, weather patterns, crop health, and other variables, researchers and farmers can gain valuable insights into the underlying causes and potential solutions to these threats. Machine learning algorithms can also be used to develop predictive models that can forecast potential pest and disease outbreaks and recommend targeted interventions. Moreover, the use of biological control methods can be further enhanced by the development of new and innovative biocontrol agents. These include microorganisms, such as bacteria and fungi, that can be used to control pest and disease populations in a natural and environmentally friendly way. Biotechnology and genetic engineering can also be used to develop new crop varieties that are resistant to specific pests and diseases, reducing the need for chemical pesticides. Another important aspect of pest and disease prevention is biosecurity. This involves implementing measures to prevent the entry and spread of pests and diseases in agricultural systems. Biosecurity measures can include physical barriers, such as fencing and netting, as well as measures to improve hygiene and sanitation practices in the handling and storage of plant products. It is important to recognize the impact that plant pests and diseases can have on food security, particularly in developing countries, where agriculture is a key source of livelihood and food production.